What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon that comes to you guys with a brand new video. And today we have the final piece to, oh, the car's over there, to the car, which is going to be a lip. We kind of got the lip sorted out. This is the Yofer lip. If you guys are an 11 gen and you guys want to go copy the Yofer lip, which I believe is like the only lip out there right now, go ahead and hit the link down below. Go copy yourself a lip. But today we're going to be installing the Yofer lip. We're going to see what we have. These are going to be the two front pieces here, and then this is going to be the middle piece, which we're going to have to drill holes into. So it's a good thing we bought a drill.
I'm so smart. I knew it. But
we're going to get everything all taped up with JD Supply with tape and screws. So hopefully this goes pretty easy. What you doing, kid?
I'm adhesiving, kid. So
while she's doing that, I pretty much peeled off, or I took off the plastic off the middle part. So this is the middle, and you are going to have to drill holes in it. There's a couple holes on the side here, so there's one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, vice versa. There's about a couple here, and I don't know which one to really drill out. There's 4 on one on the end over here. So we're going to have to kind of take a look at it and see how it all lines up. But yeah, you pretty much want to drill them out, so we're going to go get my drill right now. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of hard to tell where the dimples are. I mean, you can see them, but you can't really see like the middle. You know what I mean?
yeah.
Ote! What's in it, brother? So we got the car on ramps, so it's easier. Which, if you guys have a jack, just use the jack or get some ramps. So we're gonna test fit it now to kind of see where everything's gonna sit.
It's not that. Oh, it's not that bad. Not as bad as
his was, huh?
Yeah. So that side fits. Let's try the other side.
All right. So we're gonna finish putting on the tape where she is, and then we gotta drill some holes in the white ones. But you're gonna drill the holes right there. There's a little dimple there. There's a dimple here, and then there should be all the dimples there, and the same thing on the other one. So this should be pretty much an easy install. I mean, it really shouldn't be that hard. So thank you, Yofer, for making life easy. Make sure you clean your surfaces as best as you can, because you want to make sure that everything adheres. It's a big word there, huh? But
that's a big word for Elmo.
Clean there. So we're just adding a little bit more tape for safety. You kind of want to overdo it, probably a little bit, just because you don't want the thing flying off, though you're putting screws in it and everything.
Rather be safe than sorry.
Yeah, rather be safe than sorry. So she's putting some extra tape, and then we're gonna put it on the car, and then we'll see how it looks.
I don't know if you guys can see down here, but we made holes here and there, and it doesn't look like there's any, you know, so I think we just have to drill a hole right here and do that one, and right here as well.
So for the screws, we drill the screws like in here,
where the pilot holes were, but they're kind of useless. You gotta do this.
Yeah, so you gotta go in between here. So just yeah, give it a little tap in there, and then put a little screw in there, and she's tight, brother. You know what I'm saying? Just give you guys a heads up too, you guys will need to go get more screws. Thank God we have a Yofer lip from the Accord, which also, by the way, yeah, if you guys have an Accord, a white one, and want the Yofer lip, hit me up. You will need screws for it because we're going to be taking them out of there, so just a little FYI. But
we'll sell it to you for $100. I bought it for $200.
So take that steal. But the lip's on there. It looks pretty nice on camera, actually. You can't really tell that it's I mean, it's on there. That's just not going nowhere. Pretty nice, brother. Now we're gonna get the other side done, and then we'll put the middle one on. So everything's going good. Also, a huge shout out to everybody who bought a Lost Mind shirt, which is what I'm wearing right now. I didn't just put it on for this segment, but if you guys copped the shirt, huge thank you to you guys. We got a lot of things coming for next month as well. I kind of put this on Instagram. I kind of teased it a little bit. If you guys want to have a giveaway where we kind of do like $1 is one entry or $5 is one entry. Oh my god, stickers flying everywhere. If you guys hit me up on Instagram, or if you guys want to do it, just give this video a thumbs up and we'll get going for that. So we'll do it for like April. Everything's pretty much gonna be Honda related, so if you or if you guys have a different kind of car, I do apologize, but everything's probably gonna be mainly Honda related. So yeah, we're probably gonna do a giveaway next month. Stay tuned for that. I'll be back on April 1st, which is when we should post the first video. Yeah, I'm excited. So more details will come soon. We'll talk about more, but now we're gonna put the other side on the lip, so we'll get to that.
This is what it looks like right now. The little pilot holes that they made were not in the right places, so we kind of full sent it and just made our own holes. As long as it sticks on there, honestly, it's fine to me. So just have a few more screws to go, and then we'll show you in a bit.
Alright, lip is on. We're gonna reveal it to you guys in just a jiffy. We're gonna go ahead and back it up the ramps.
You want it here, or you want me to move it to the middle?
And just like that, the lip is on. It's actually a really nice lip. So there is a little gap here. I know you guys can't really see it. Very tiny gap. I don't think anything would have fixed that. Other side is good, but the middle part is good. So thumbs up, Yofer. The lip looks good. I like it. It actually looks factory almost. You kind of just look at it. I always gotta lower this thing.
Yeah.
Once we lower it, it'll look good. Don't remember the last thing that I said, but the lip is on and it looks very, very good. Yeah, like I said, if you guys want to go copy yourself a lip, link is down below or where we got it from. So shout out to Customs Tuning.
Customs Tuning in Roland Heights. So if you're in Southern California, you can pick it up, and they do cash discounts. So if you have cash, you go and you get it, and you look like me.
Yep. And they have all colors, so just make sure you guys hit them up on Instagram. Like I said, Customs Tuning with the Z. I'll put their Instagram up right here. But really clean lip. I mean, it's made by Yofer. She actually had the Yofer, like I said, for the Accord, which is somewhere.
So
we never ended up putting it on.
If you guys look up Custom Tuning, they have it for the Civics, the 10th gens and 11th gens, and Accords.
And they have stuff for Camrys,
Oh yeah, that's it.
Challengers. They got all kinds of stuff. So if you guys don't have a Civic for whatever reason, you guys are weird like that. You know what I'm saying? But
And go get a Civic while you're at it.
yeah, let's go get a Civic while you're at it. We're over that. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys like the lip, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Like I said, merch will be down and below. Next month we are going to have a new drop, and we'll have a giveaway as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. See you guys next time. Yeah. Peace.